Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the Oanda web trading platform. Whether you are a novice or an experienced trader looking to master this specific interface, I have you covered. We will explore everything from the initial setup to executing your first trade and managing your portfolio. Let's get started. If you haven't set up an Oanda account yet, I suggest doing so now. It is a straightforward process. Once registered, you can trade via mobile, desktop, or web, but today we are focusing on the browser-based version. After logging in, you will notice a clean, intuitive layout designed to prevent information overload. On the left sidebar, you will find essential features like technical analysis, news, market tools, economic analysis, and preferences. The technical analysis section is your primary toolkit for studying price trends and patterns, allowing for data-driven decisions. You will find various indicators and charting options here. Meanwhile, the Preferences tab lets you personalize the interface, from adjusting the layout to setting up specific notifications, ensuring the platform fits your workflow perfectly. Oanda offers a diverse range of assets, including forex, commodities, indices, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Navigating these is simple. You can switch categories with a click or add frequent assets to your favorites for faster access. For instance, selecting the euro to US dollar pair, a great starting point for beginners, displays current buy and sell prices. To execute a market order, enter your trade amount and choose whether to buy or sell based on your market outlook. Before submitting, set your take profit and stop loss levels. A take profit order automatically closes your position to secure gains, while a stop loss acts as a safety net to limit potential downsides. These tools are vital for effective risk management. Once you hit the submit button, your trade goes live. You can monitor active positions in real time at the bottom right of the screen, where you can track performance without leaving the main page. To refine your strategy, use the advanced charting tools. You can choose between candlestick, bar, or line charts to identify market reversals. Adding indicators like the RSI helps determine if an asset is overbought or oversold, while moving averages like the SMA or EMA clarify overall trends. You can also draw support and resistance lines directly on the chart to mark price floors and ceilings where movements might stall. For deeper analysis, use trend lines or Fibonacci retracements to predict where prices might pivot. Oanda even allows you to overlay different charts, such as comparing euro to US dollar against the US dollar index, to spot market correlations. You can adjust time frames from 1 minute to 1 month and save these configurations as templates for future use, keeping your analysis consistent and saving time. Managing live trades is intuitive. Simply click and drag your stop loss or take profit lines directly on the chart as the market moves. Beyond the charts, stay informed with the integrated news feed, which you can filter by category. The economic calendar is another powerful tool, helping you track high-impact events like Federal Reserve interest rate decisions so you can plan your entries and exits accordingly. Use the built-in currency converters and pip calculators to manage leverage and risk accurately. Always keep an eye on your account status, including balance and margin levels, to avoid automatic liquidations. If you need to sharpen your skills, explore Oanda's educational resources, including webinars and articles. Managing funds is also easy, with clear deposit, withdrawal, and transaction history options. Finally, use the demo account to practice with virtual funds before committing real capital to a live account.